Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on emotional intelligence and self-regulation. The question is, how do I understand my emotions and respond appropriately? Kit, since we've been discussing emotional intelligence, I've been watching myself in action. I think fast, I talk fast, and sometimes I not only act fast, unfortunately I also react fast. I think it might be a good idea to listen more closely and respond more thoughtfully. What do you think? Well, we have all heard the phrase, I need some time to collect my thoughts. That ability to slow down the mind and think and respond rather than react is a critical element of self-regulation and emotional intelligence. Listening and understanding your emotions and responding appropriately is sort of like a funnel. First of all information simply comes through your senses. It's just raw data. No meaning's been applied to it. It's what you see and it's what you hear. Pay attention and gather as much information as possible. The second step is interpretation. And interpretation is the intellectual question, why? Why would a person say this? Why would a person do this? Now, based upon that interpretation, you will have a feeling. And once you are trapped in that emotional event, it limits your options in what you would say or what you would do when you feel like that. And the next step is to select your best option, to respond rather than react. So if you double check your interpretations, it could have an impact on your thoughts and your feelings, your options, and what you express. Your professionalism is measured by your expression of your best option. So there is a system or process to it. I'm afraid I've been skipping a few steps. Listening, understanding, responding appropriately involves gathering as much information as I can through my senses, what I see and what I hear. What about smell? Just kidding. Sorry. Then interpretation, and then consider my options, and then express my best option. I like it. Thank you for watching this video blog on emotional intelligence and self-regulation. And the question was, how do I understand my emotions and respond appropriately? We all know people who jump to conclusions, fly off the handle, or rush to judgment without really considering all the information and all the options. Don't let that be you. Self-regulation is not controlling your emotions. It's simply understanding your emotions and responding appropriately. If you and your coworkers could benefit from an engaging presentation on emotional intelligence, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide an interactive presentation that will bolster your emotional intelligence.